For the past several months, I've been trying to identify new methods to engage and challenge my design students. One of the areas I am looking to include is app game development in my spring curriculum. So I have spent the week going through and looking at various products, things that students can use at home as well as in the classroom, and then going through the tutorials to see how it works and it functions and if it's something that's actually a viable product for my classroom. What I'm going to do right now is just take you through the brief creation of a little critter and add it into my game and show you a simulation just to kind of demonstrate the basic ease of use, but it definitely gets more complicated. So your basic game players here are the sprites. So I'm going to add one in, and I am going to create a sad fish. So I name it. Creates a little sprite over here on the side. I double click on that, and I'm going to add it in as a resource. And it's going to be a new animation. I have to name it again. Why? Not sure. Once I have this, I can see I've got no animations in here, so I have to double click and add images. It takes me into my image area. I'm going to hit open, yes, and then I am going to grab each of these and drag them up into the frame sequencer. This area here tells me how fast the little fish is going to swim on the screen. The lower the number, the quicker it's going to go, and we can do a quick preview. Let's slow that little guy down a little bit. Alright, I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to go over here to Logic. And this is where we program the actions of the fish. So I am going to do a created event, double click on that, and I am going to do set speed, and we'll make it move at like 40, and we'll make it move a little bit different, kind of diagonally across our screen. And that should be good. So now I'm going to add him into the room. So I double click on my room. My little fish is out here. Delete that guy. Okay. I'm going to add this little guy out here, so you just drag him wherever. And then I simply go up, hit simulation, and I have already programmed a little fish that's moving straight up to swim based on the commands that I hit with the arrow keys. If I touch any of those little orange fish, or if they touch me, I disappear into oblivion. So that just gives you a brief overview of the product, the basic interface, and what my students are going to get into. So next spring, after they've already had some skills, learning how to create vector graphics and can learn to edit and flip and do all the things that they need, this will be kind of one of the treats that they get to see what they can do with the skills that they've learned.